Hello and welcome, Love Fooders. Today we're going to be making a wonderful snack that's one of my favorites. It is a lemon rosemary popcorn. There's the lemon zest. I use about half, so this is what I'm looking at, half amount of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, right? And whatever you're going to use for the Parmigiano Reggiano, cut that in half for your rosemary. Whatever you're going to use for lemon zest, make that half of what you're going to use for your rosemary. And for the amount of salt, make sure that's half of what you're using for your lemon zest. Does that make sense? So you can see my piles, if I put them in order, this one would be the smallest, then there would be the medium, then there'd be the large, then there'd be the extra large. And that's how we're going to figure out our flavoring in case you want to change your amounts in your dish. Now, I also use equal amounts popcorn kernels to just enough olive oil, and I want to show you this, to coat the bottom of my pan. So what I've done is I've made sure that my whole pan, by swirling it around like that, is coated. In the other pot, I have put my rosemary and my butter. I'm going to turn that one, heat our pan of oil first. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 3 popcorn kernels in. And then we're going to heat this pan up with a cover on the top. We're going to put this one up. We're going to put this one up to a medium-high heat. We're going to wait for those 3 kernels to pop. All right, now our oil is hot. We're going to put our popcorn, put it in the flame. And we're going to let this do its thing. We're just going to get it to a point where I know this is starting to cook. I can smell it. So that corn is heating up now. It smells really good. And we're going to hear it start to pop. And once it does, it'll start popping all at once. We can hear it. I'm turning off my heat now, actually, because I don't need it anymore. There's enough steam built up into that pan to finish off what I want it to do. All right. And now you can see we have almost a full pot of popcorn. What we're going to do is we're going to take our butter and we are going to, I want you to see how that looks. It's lovely. And we are going to pour some of this right into that bag. Not all of it first. I'm just going to pour a little bit in. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to put that there. Move that back. We are going to shake it around just a bit. We're going to shake that butter up without trying to lose any of the popcorn out the top. And now we're going to check it to see how much butter we got going on in there. Butter and the rosemary is nice together. We haven't even added the lemon zest and the cheese yet. So let's pop our lemon zest in there and our salt. I'm going to pop some of the cheese in. Bring that around. Now we're going to pour just a little more of our rosemary and butter on the top. Shaking it all up. Giving it another taste. That's good. Now, I like mine with a little more salt, so I'm going to add just a little more salt into that and the rest of my cheese. All right, thanks for watching For the Love of Food. We'll be back to show you the final product.